Welcome to everyone. Today we are going to talk about some change in education. See, this boy is reading book. I don't know if this will come at the thumbnail. I don't know to set the thumbnail. Sorry, I will learn after some time. So, in our education, we want to add moral science as a major subject, not minor subject. As a major subject, as he told. What does it means to have good character? Do your child know it, or do you know it? You will say you have to help others, you have to be kind to others, you should not be cold-hearted. Just simple things you will say. But really, these are the things if you want a good character. So kindness. First, you will start from this. I don't know where to start from. Patience, loyalty, responsibility. You should be responsible of yourself and things around you. Hard work, honesty, humility, respect, and kindness. These will help you to get a good character. If you want to see, these are virtues of life, and nobody knows about it. And they didn't give one or two virtues, that is self-control, and I don't know the other. But these are the basic things you want to do. Think about it. And the golden rule, the simple rule your children should never live without. You should also never live without it. What's the golden rule? Let's see. Do unto others as you would have them to do unto you. This is the golden rule. In some of your classes, it may be stuck, and you just laugh at someone who's getting bullied. I don't know why. Most of them will not know it. Please go and research about it. I am giving this to you. I can't tell to you to understand. You will not understand it. You will offend me only. And cyberbullying, as you see, is a trend. I don't know why it's a trend. And why students are if students want to be cool, they have to bully. Is that a trend? Think about it, teachers. If some teacher sees it, please think about it. If a child wants to be cool, he wants to be bully of the class, he will give homework to the other children to do. Should he bully everyone? Think. That's your homework. If I was a teacher. Stand up, speak out. If you want to stand up, speak out, you have to understand this rule fully, and you have to have the virtues of respect, responsibility, and loyalty. In our Indian pledge, we pledge as all our Indians are brothers and sisters. As you see in the photo is your sister, you have to huffan the girl's back. If he is your brother, you have to offend this guy and these three of them. If you see bullying, just not telling all the Indians are my brothers and sisters. That's not what to do. You have to apply it in your real life. Many of them are afraid of it. Why are you afraid? Teachers are there, principals are there to tell. Why are you afraid? I don't know why some of them are afraid. Many of you would have been into bullying in any of your schools or in any of your age. No one will miss bullying in your school. If you think about it, everyone will be what will encounter some or the other type of bullying. So please stop bullying. Bullying is so bad. That's a trend. Why? I don't know why it's a trend. First I thought to do video about bullying, but it's like what bullying. So I started with uh, from the virtues of life, from moral science to bullying. Like bullying is the very major issue in our schools. So I said, from moral science to bullying, you can simply understand. Teachers should teach students like chemistry and biology. It's life science, nothing else. So peace. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.